Hello 10th class student. Welcome to your channel Pioneer Institute 171983. So students, today we will start the chapter 3, and if you want to see the last chapter 1 and 2, then you can see the description link. So today we will start chapter 3. First, I want to tell you something about the methods. In this chapter we will study 4 types of method. First is graphical method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method, and the last substitution method. So in this chapter, if you know about the 4 methods, then you can solve easily about all problems. So first, we have motive that you understood easy way to learn the 4 methods. So we have, these are methods name wise. First method is graphical method. In this method we have 2 equations of 2 variables. Let's see. We have 2 equation, 2x plus y equals to 7 and x plus y equals to 5. So these 2 equations represent 2 lines on graph. For example, like this is a Cartesian plane and this is a line of that graph, roughly suppose, and this is another line of this equation. So these 2 equations represent 2 lines on the graph. So now we will solve the first method, graphical method. This is simple to understand. First of all, we will take first equation. X plus y equal to 7. Now we will transpose and along y, then y we will take in LHS and other transpose to RHS. So that time y is alone now. Then we will substitute some values by the side of u, any values of 3, x and y. So we will substitute the value of x. This is a standard. If you want to understood easy way, then we will substitute these 3 values always in any question and solve the decimal 1 places. If we substitute 0 in this equation 1, then 0 y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 0, then y is equal to 7 minus 0, then y is equal to 7. Then the first value is 7 of y when we put the value of x 0, and the next we will put y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 1. We will put 1 now again in next step. Then y is equal to 7 minus 2 and 2. Then y is equal to 5. So we have another value of y when we put 1 on the place of x. And the next is at 7 minus 2 into 2. At the value of x 2, then 2 into 2 4, then 7 minus 4 equals 3. Then we have the another value of y when we put the value of x is 2. So now we have the solution of this equation. These are the solution and coordinate also. So points or coordinates, whatever you say this. Then at 0 we have abscissa is x and coordinate is 7. Then 0, 7. Other coordinate is for the Cartesian plane 1, 5 and 2, 3. So this is your first method of graphical. This is condition we will apply, same condition we will apply on the second equation. We will put the value of x 0, 1, 2 and find the values of y. These are the coordinates for equation 1 and represent on Cartesian plane. Again we will solve the equation 2. These points we noted here for equation 1. Now we will solve this. We will take equation 2. Take y alone and separate transpose y x in RHS. This. Again we will take 3 points, any points. But I suggest you will take always 1, 0, 1, 2. Under 10th place. So at 0, when you apply at x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 5 minus 0 means 5. So at x is equal to 0, we get 5, value of y. Again at x is equal to 1, then the value of y is 4. Again at x is equal to 2, then the y is 3. Again we have some coordinates for the graph Cartesian plane. At 0, 5, at 1, 4 and at 2, 3. So these are the coordinates of for Cartesian plane. So this method 90% complete, and in the last we will plot these 3 coordinates on number line. First of all we will represent this line on Cartesian plane at a graph base. First of all 0, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will use the graph paper. Then 0, 7. 0 is here. 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is point 0, 7. This is rough, like, but you will use the graph. Then first and find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This and 2, 3. This. Now we will join first and last point with the help of ruler. Again we will represent these 3 points and 0, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 1, 5, 2, 3, and that is 0, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, and the last same 2, 3. Now we will join first and last point with the help of ruler. This line is represent equation 1 and this line is represent equation 2nd. So how we can find the solution of 2 equations? Let's see. This is the intersecting point. one line is this and second line is this, we have seen the intersecting point A. So this intersecting point we will draw perpendicular on x-axis and y-axis. So you can see this is at 2 and this is at 3. So 2 is the answer of x because this is x axis and the perpendicular at 2. So x solution of x is 2 and we draw perpendicular on y axis, then this is at 3 means y is equal to 3 because this is y axis and the perpendicular proceed to this point, so that is 3, then y is equal to 3. So we have, this is the solution, and the another way to find the solution of two equation, which coordinator have same. So this is same, so here is simple, but another case is any time we have not same, then that time we will use this method, draw perpendicular on x-axis and y-axis from the intersecting point. So this is the first method, graphical method. So you can see the next method in your next videos. So for the next videos you can subscribe my channel Pioneer Institute 171983, and please let's continue.